Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. This is a follow-up on the video that I was doing about testing my multimeters for milliamp draw, so that I can use them to test the draw on my Corvette later on. Anyway, got a wall wart in there. That puts out a nominal 200 milliamps to charge up this old phone that probably doesn't work anyway. But you can see that it's charging. And here's the funny thing, and again, thanks to my buddy on the Corvette forum for pointing this out to me. This is an analog multimeter. I think it's a Radio Shack, but it could be something. I'm pretty sure. I used to buy a lot of stuff at Radio Shack, so I'm getting a reading on the 300 milliamp scale. So use the scale that goes to 30, 50, 100, 150. So, you know, it's not putting out 200, it's putting out 150 to try to charge the 20-year-old battery in this rechargeable battery phone. But, however, here's the funny thing and the fun thing. I just got this in series with one of the wires that goes from the wall wart into the phone. If I change the negative and positive, watch what happens. The meter tries to read negative, and I thought it was a bad meter, but all it was is that these analog meters are fussy about having the leads in the, quote, right position. So anyway, I did want to finish this up, and I'll put a little video up for you guys and gals. So if you're ever trying to do this with an old analog meter and something doesn't seem right to you, just try switching the positive and negative leads and see what happens. Okay, give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel, and if you want notifications, click on the little bell next to the subscription and then you'll get notifications. See you later. Froggy out. Bye-bye.